Hello friends, this is Asha Kulhar and today I'll be talking about one of the most interesting zodiac signs. The one that never fails to have fun, the one that brings life to the party. And I know you must have guessed it by now, I'm talking about Geminis, the sign that represents duality. Gemini is the third sign of the zodiac belt and it's ruled by the planet Mercury. So they're all about communication, they're all about having fun in life. Geminis are one of the most flirtatious kind of personalities because they know how to communicate. They play around with their words and communication. They're very creative with their speech, their communication, their writing, or they could be involved in the field of writing, or they may do a lot of paperwork related work in their career. Gemini natives are the ones that can never seem as a boring person. They always know how to have fun. Geminis need to be very careful with their decision making related to finances. Why? Because they have Cancer sign falling in their second house. That brings them a lot of ups and downs related to the matters of second house. So they may also have a lot of bad habits related to their food. Gemini natives are the ones who are always highly prone to addiction. So they need to control their food habits. There's a lot of ups and downs in the second house happening for Gemini natives. Gemini natives are usually very smart, intellectual, but they do face a sudden downfall in their career. And they could be highly invested in their career or connected to foreign lands and still face some sort of losses. It could be related to health issues or it could be related to some sort of sudden event. But the interesting part about Gemini is their ability to make connections, the ability to make friends. They are so fast and quick in making friends and connections. They have a good networking circle and they're constantly thinking about how to get gains through these circles. They have Aries falling in their 11th house, which shows they are constantly thinking about making gains in life. Making connections is a gain for them. So with Gemini ascendant, these are just few life patterns that you can just predict by knowing their rising sign. And because it is ruled by planet Mercury, these native always appear youthful and young than at their actual age. So Geminis are one of the most interesting zodiac signs to be around, to have friends, but you may never know their true colors in depth until you know their chart and you know them, try to understand them on a deeper level through their horoscope. Thank you very much.